Every driver thinks they know their car inside and out, until they don't. Some problems creep up so quietly that by the time you notice, your car is practically begging for help. And no, it's not always as obvious as a weird noise or a warning light. Let's talk about the car issues that can sneak up on you and cost you big if you don't catch them early. Ever noticed your fuel economy suddenly going down the drain? If you find yourself filling up more often but you're driving the same, something is off. It could be your oxygen sensor giving bad readings, causing the engine to burn more fuel than necessary. Or maybe your tires are underinflated, creating more resistance. Either way, you're paying more at the pump for no good reason. A quick check of your tire pressure and an inexpensive diagnostic scan can save you a ton. Next up, have you ever felt your car hesitate when accelerating? You press the gas, but there's a delay before it responds. Most people assume it's just an old car being, well, old. But it could be a clogged fuel injector or even carbon buildup in the throttle body. The good news? You don't need a mechanic for this one. Just a bottle of high-quality fuel system cleaner and about 15 minutes of your time. Now, let's talk about weird smells. If your car suddenly smells like maple syrup, congratulations, you're probably leaking coolant. But don't wait for steam to start pouring from the hood. That sweet smell means a small leak that, left unchecked, could lead to an overheated engine and a serious repair bill. Similarly, if your car smells like burning rubber but your tires are fine, check under the hood. Something could be melting or rubbing where it shouldn't. Ever park your car, come back, and notice it rolled an inch or two? That's a sign your parking brake isn't holding like it should. Even if you rarely use it, the cables can corrode or stretch over time. And if it fails completely, your car might not stay where you left it. A simple adjustment can fix this before it turns into a real disaster. Finally, let's talk about wipers. Not just the streaky, noisy kind that annoy you, but wipers that barely touch the windshield. If you're driving in the rain and your visibility is worse than ever, it's not just bad blades. It could be worn-out wiper arm tension. If the arm isn't pressing the blade down enough, no new wiper blade will fix it. A little DIY tension adjustment can bring them back to life and save you from squinting through every storm. So, how many of these warning signs have you ignored? Let me know in the comments if you've ever caught a sneaky car problem before it turned into an expensive repair. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.